Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by controlling the light, not chasing it. First, pick late afternoon so the sun is lower. Underexpose 1 to 2 stops to keep highlights controllable. Once done, switch to an 85-135 lens to compress the scene and reduce visible sky. Then add a 0.5 ND or polarizer on the lens and deploy flags to cut direct sun. This gives you darker, moodier base footage that reads like night without losing detail. Now you shape the light to sell moonlight. Place a tungsten balanced key at low power, 1/2 to 1/4, to create controlled shadows and avoid daytime flatness. Once positioned, add a backlight at roughly 45 degrees to produce a rim, gel or tweak color to a slightly cooler moon tone. Feather the fixtures and use flags so light hits actors and not the sky or reflective surfaces. This maintains believable night contrast while preserving necessary shadow detail. Finish by harmonizing camera and post. Push blue slightly in grading but protect skin with selective masks so faces look natural. Once graded, add practicals, dim lamps and low-power LED car lights to sell locations and give depth. If highlights are still blown out or sky reads daytime, reduce ISO by 1 stop, increase lens diffusion and lower key output. This fixes harsh hotspots quickly. If problems persist, restore fill carefully. Too much fill will reveal daytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.